Hey guys, let me show you how to set up your own hotspot on T-Smart4G by Tigo. First you're going to get into the menu and you're going to scroll down. Then let's enter the settings. And first you have to switch on your data. Utakiwa uwashe kwanza mtandao wako, weke on. Okay, hapo tunarudi nyuma. Hapo tunashuka chini. We scroll down till we meet internet sharing. Tunaingia kwenye internet sharing sasa. Okay, kabla ya kuwasha on wifi yako hotspot, unashuka chini kwanza, unaweza ukarekebisha jina na security password hapa ya kuweka, so you can set your name and your security, your desired security password. So let's get into hotspot settings. Here we can edit the name of the T-Smart for hotspot to be enabled. Okay. Okay, excuse me. Turudi hapa, delete. Okay, tuanze. Okay. Now we are going to set the name there. It's going to be shown. Okay, tushuke kwenye password, tunaedit na password. Okay, I'm going to put my favorite password. Okay, kisha maliza hapo kuseti password yako. So if you are finished setting your password, you click save. Changes the set. So yeah, so you go to so tunaenda kuwasha wifi yetu hotspot here and on, boom, tayari. So now unaweza ka connect na device yoyote ile. Device ikishakuwa connected, hichi kiseko kitawaka kama notifications za kawaida. So if you are finished setting up and and when you are done connecting to another device, this circle right here, which is not highlighted, will be highlighted just like your notifications bar here. So that's it. Peace out.